Hello everyone. In this episode, we are talking about ear training. Training your ear because music is an oral art. Being able to do this will allow you to learn any piece of music without a reference tone. It's great for sight reading, improvisation, analysis, or just learning for favorite songs by ear. Do you know what are intervals? An interval is the distance or difference between two pitches. There are two types of intervals. The first is known as a melodic interval. That's two notes played separately, like this. The second is a harmonic interval or two notes played simultaneously, like this. Today, we will talking about melodic intervals. Melodic intervals as follows: melodic second, melodic third, melodic fourth, melodic fifth, melodic sixth, melodic seventh, octave. First thing, you have to sing or play the major scale on the instrument. Let's start. Once again. Double speed. Faster. Now I am going to start a game. In this game, you will hear intervals, and your goal is to identify them. Okay, that's all for now. Keep practicing for much more in depth of ear training. Thank you.